Good morning everyone, please all stand.
Good morning.
Before we start, please all do the prayer.
Lord, thank you for the giving of life and the opportunity to learn today. Grant us wisdom, patience, and understanding so that we others with compassion and respect. Guide our hearts and minds so that everything we do brings honor to you. Amen.
I thank you. Emergency, can you pick up those small piece of paper under the bed? And arrange your bill properly. So, bago tayo magsimula, may hinanda akong game para sa inyo, which is Mix and Match Diversity Cards. So, ito yung mechanics na naman natin. Distribute one card per student, ask them to buy classmate with opposite ends or complementary make. Example, labs math, compare with struggles in math. Each pair discusses one thing they can learn from each other. So, sino yung hanggang may pag-pair kayo sa mga, kasalungat nyo.
Kami, sir. Sir, kami. Ayaw kami kaya. Okay na po.
So, here's the question, what did you notice about your pair? Ano mapansin niyo sa inyong magkamaris? Sige, ikaw, Darwin.
About two different ng pag-reading course.
Okay, thank you. Sa palagay mo, anong pwedeng matutunan ng ibang tao sa'yo? Na hindi masyadong sa pagpabasa?
Dahil ako ay mahilig magbasa ng comics and dahil doon parang natututo kong bumigkas ng mga mahirap na salita. Yun lang po.
Okay, thank you. So our topic for today is teachers' role in inclusive education and diversity awareness. So our objectives at the end of the lesson, students will be able to A. Define inclusion and restore teacher responsibilities in an equitable classroom. B. Appreciate the value of empathy and respect for all learners. And commit to continuous professional development. C. Design and present a practical differentiated instructional or classroom management strategy. So for our introduction, anyone who can read? Yes, in Google.
Students differ in cultural language, ability, background, and learning needs. Inclusive education ensures all learners are given equal opportunities to learn and succeed. Teachers play a central role in promoting inclusivity and diversity awareness. Today's classroom are more diverse than ever.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Sibuga. So, sinasabi lang dito na kahit iba-iba tayo ng perspective, kahit iba-iba tayo ng pinanggalingan, kahit iba-iba tayo ng lingwahe, natututo tayo kung ano yung mga background ng ibang tao, naiintindihan natin sila at kung paano natin naiintindihan yung pangangailangan nila sa pagkatuto. Understanding diversity in the classroom is pinagda kayo.
Understanding diversity in the classroom. Students differ in culture, religion, socio-economic status, gender, and abilities. Teachers must recognize differences as strengths, not barriers. Awareness helps avoid bias, discrimination, and exclusion.
So, gaya natin yung sabi natin dun sa noong topic natin kanina kay Darwin, nalalaman natin kung ano mga status ng ibang tao, kung saan yung makaya nila para halimbawa sa atin, hindi natin i-normalize yung pag-discriminate sa kanila. Hindi natin sila tatawanan yun. Creating an inclusive learning environment. Design lessons and activities for various learning styles. Visual, auditory, kinesthetic. Use differentiated instruction to include every learner. Create classroom policies that promote respect, fairness, and acceptance. Dito naman, alam naman natin ito dati. Kung paano tayo nag-create ng positive environment sa isang classroom, kung paano tayo natututo, sa isa't isa ngayon. Promoting respect and empathy. Teachers model respect for differences. Encourage group work and cultural sharing. Appreciate diversity, emphasize empathy to build stronger student relationships and reduce bullying. Alam naman natin ito lahat na hindi talaga may iwasan na sa isang school or sa isang classroom may nagbubully. So gagawa natin ang paraan para alam na natin sinusunod yung magiging solusyon para doon sa isang problema nila. So, we have an activity that the inclusive teacher. Teacher will act out a short skit. Ito may showing a classroom scenario where the teacher I address diversity, language, abilities, and etc. I prevent discrimination or bullying. I after performing each group explains the teacher's inclusive actions. So here's the rubrics. Okay, start na. Okay, thank you. Okay, Mr. Bayan, ano yung sa inyo?
Bullying.
Okay, sige, paano masusolusyon ito?
To prevent bullying, so kailangan natin mag-guide dun sa may mga estudyante natin na bawal yun na masama yun. Or once na mangyayari yun, so kailangan natin ipatawag yun or yung estudyante and dalhin natin sa may guidance.
Okay, thank you. Ngayon sinabi ni Mr. Bayan, nadaanan natin lagi sa maayos na usapan. So maglabas kayo ng one word na assessment tayo. Next. Okay na? Okay, so here's the answer. Anyone who got 10? 9, 8, 7. Okay, thank you, Mas. Hindi nag-play.
Kung di mo lang nag-exchange.
Nakalimutan ko eh.